64.6%. And this is not the final figure. Smita, 64.6%. This is not the final figure, which means it can actually touch 70%. This is big. Santosh, this is big.
Yes.
Smita, I'll come to you, Manish.
Always when you look in every election, on every voting day, whatever, data comes to us by 5 or 6 or 6:30, usually when the reports come from the far-flung booths and all of it is tabulated, it always goes up. I have never seen it going down. So it could reach 67, 68, anything, It will be hovering between 65 and 70, which I think is a wonderful news for Bihar, for Bihar's politics, for our democracy. And I only hope, again, I'll reiterate, that this data which has come for this first phase must inspire the voters in the second phase also to come out in even bigger numbers. That will be a great news. But just to add a line to this, this discussion on this decoding the small parties, Kartikeya, there is one thing very interesting in
this. But very quickly, Smita, I need to go to Santosh. I have not gone back to him. Very quickly.
So let me tell you, we cannot equate the other so-called smaller parties like HAM and Upendra Kushwaha's party and others with Prashant Kishore, because the other 2-3, they mostly represent a particular caste base, VIP. Whereas Prashant Kishore came with a different language.